Yeah, all right.
Charlie 3. 8.
And action.
We'd like to see the foreman. I understand he's here with your uncle.
He's in the study working on the ledger. Go on in.
Film.
Oh, thank you. Let's wait back here.
Thousands of images on celluloid.
Fresh pot of coffee.
Each of these images the direct responsibility of one man.
I'll tell him.
The director of photography. The cinematographer. In the early days of filmmaking, things were quite simple. All you really needed was a cameraman, a camera, and some film. The sun provided all the light.
Messieurs, ladies und Gent, Fräulein Sally Ball!
One of the most important crews in motion picture production is the camera crew. Its several members are led by the director of photography, the DP. The cinematographer does not actually shoot the scene himself. Rather, it is the second cameraman, or camera operator, who usually takes control of the camera during filming.
So if it's a double, we go wide. If it's Leslie, we'll go closer, and then he's going to finish it.
A first assistant cameraman loads the camera and aids the operator by adjusting focus to follow the action. Technicians known as grips move the camera and physically set up the equipment.
Right on. I got it. You can take it up. Thank you. All the way up?
Yeah, just strap it. Well, if you get a little bit of treetops in there, we just land.
All right.
Make it look difficult.
But a movie doesn't begin on a crowded set. It begins as a script, an idea, and the DP enters the creative process long before the cameras roll.
It's all right now, Frank.
Each scene presents particular photographic problems. The cinematographer chooses his approach to a scene and the equipment he will use from an almost infinite number of available combinations. Of paramount importance, for example, is his selection of the most appropriate lens for a particular situation.
It's all right now.
To a 3-inch lens, and we're pretty close.
Show Alan how you do that, please.
A normal lens reveals the subject in approximately the same perspective as the human eye views it. A longer lens, or telephoto, brings the subject closer, while shorter wide-angle lenses seem to place it further away, revealing much wider areas. The selection of a lens can determine a scene's psychological impact simply because different lenses distort in different ways. Telephoto lenses compress action, and the actor appears to make little progress toward the camera. Wide-angle lenses affect movement in the opposite way. A zoom lens can change these characteristics within a single shot.
Well, we got that nice shadow.
Perhaps the most important function of the director of photography is in the area of lighting.
Did you come back as we go in?
One of the most important crews in motion picture production is the camera crew. Its several members are led by the director of photography, the DP.